Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset and repair the game bar on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the system tile. And then going down on the left side here, go down to where it says System Components. And then on the right side, locate the game bar and select Advanced Options. You can go ahead and just scroll down here and you can select the repair option. So if the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system's component data won't be affected. So select repair first and then attempt to relaunch the game bar and see if the issue's been rectified. If not, you can try the resetting option. So if the system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system component's data will be deleted. Select reset. So this will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset, give it a moment there, and then relaunch the game bar, and then you should be hopefully good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.